Hi everyone! Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a DVD to MP4 using VLC Media Player, step by step. This is a great way to back up your DVDs or make them playable on other devices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. Step 1. First, insert the DVD you want to convert into your computer's DVD drive. Once the DVD is loaded, open VLC Media Player on your PC or laptop. Step 2. Next, click on the Media tab in the top left corner of VLC's menu. From the drop-down menu, select Convert Save. A new window will open. Here, go to the Disk tab and make sure the DVD option is selected. VLC will automatically detect the disk in your drive, but if it doesn't, you can manually select the drive by clicking Browse under Disk Device. Step 3. Now, click the Convert Save button at the bottom of the window. In the next dialog box, choose the Convert option. Under the Profile section, select MP4. It might be labeled as 8264 plus MP3 in some versions. This ensures that your video will be converted into the MP4 format. Step 4. Next, click on Browse under the Destination section to choose where you want to save the converted file. Give your file a name and make sure it ends with .mp4 to ensure the proper format. Once you've done that, click Save. Step 5. Finally, click on Start to begin the conversion process. VLC will now convert your DVD into an MP4 file. This might take some time, depending on the length of the video and your computer's processing speed. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.